People who snore do have some kind of obstruction, and snoring is the mechanical manifestation of some turbulence in the airflow through the nasosynal sinus passages, pharynx, and the airway. And most people who do snore have some degree of sleep apnea. However, snoring should not disturb the pattern of sleep, and it should not disturb the pattern of breathing during the sleep. When it comes to a point where there is a disturbance to the flow of air, to a point where a person stops breathing or starts having irregular breathing, that is the sign that obstructive sleep apnea is significant enough to be diagnosed and treated, which would manifest itself in the form of grunting, pauses in the breathing, or not breathing at all for a few seconds and then restarting breathing.